Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can power off our Samsung Galaxy S25 when we don't remember the screen lock password. So if you restarted your phone or turned it on, and if you try to turn it off now, you will be asked to provide the password. We can actually, there's actually a way to turn off your phone, but it requires you to go to recovery mode. And therefore, we need to connect our phone to a computer through the USB cable, and then we need to perform force restart into recovery mode because we cannot turn off our phone, so we need to force restart it, and then in the meantime we need to go to the recovery mode. So let's give it a try. So what we can do is press and hold the power button and volume down button. So press and hold both of these buttons, and once this screen is off, you also want to make sure that you are not always in display before you release both buttons. But once this screen is off, you want to switch to power button and volume up, like I am holding right now. And now this is a kind of annoying part. The force restart takes forever to for the device to turn itself back on. And throughout this whole time, we need to hold it like this, and now we can see the Samsung logo. And we need to still keep holding power button and volume up. And there we go. Now we are in recovery mode. So you might need to hold it even for longer than I did, but you need to keep holding. If you release both buttons, then it might not work. So just to clarify once again, first we force restart by pressing power button and volume down. And once the screen is completely off, then we switch to power button and volume up. And then we hold it until we see this Android recovery menu. Now, once we are here, we can turn off our phone. First, we need to unplug our USB cable, because if we don't, then our phone will just restart to the recovery mode again. Use the volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu. And we need to scroll down to power off and then confirm your choice with the side button or the power button. So select power off, and then the phone should turn off. Now, here's another important part. If you turn it back on, if you power on again next time, you will be again in the recovery mode. Most likely, you will be still in recovery mode. In that case, you need to choose Reboot System Now option, which is the first option on the list. So then you just confirm it with the power button. And then the phone restarts and goes back into the normal mode. So this is how it works. This is how we can turn off our phone without remembering the screen lock password. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!